Here in the front, we're going to take these wheels off, and I'm going to show you a little trick I use on these in order to get the hubcap off. Because what you don't want to do, these are these fancy hubcaps with Rolls-Royce where, you know, as the tire spins, you see that the RR stays put. Pretty cool, right? So what you don't want to do is, you know, I've seen people try to get these off and use a screwdriver or something and pry in here. You don't want to do that. These are really nice wheels, nice hubcaps. You don't want to screw that up with the wrong thing. So my little trick is handy dandy suction cup coat hanger. Been using this for a while, so basically you just take this baby and you put him on there just like that. Make sure that the suction cup is on there good, and then pull just like that. That's how you take that hubcap off. Any other way you start prying on this, you're gonna screw up the finish. Don't do that. You can get these at a, I think I got this at a 99-cent store, and they work great. All right.